Stop wasting your time and start finding videos that get views over the long term. On YouTube, there are two strategies. You can make videos that get views in the short term, but stop getting any after just a few weeks. Or you can make videos that steadily get views every single day. Most YouTubers focus only on short-term videos because the results come fast. But the downside of this method is that competition is huge, and if you stop posting for a few weeks, your views and your income collapse completely. With the second method, evergreen content, you keep getting views day after day, even if you stop publishing. It's one of the best ways to make money on YouTube in the long run. In this video, I'm going to show you a tool that helps you find evergreen video ideas, videos that keep getting views months or even years after being published, by spying on your competitors' YouTube channels. That tool is everydayviews.com. You'll find the link in the description of this video. It lets you track all your competitors in just a few clicks and see all their detailed stats. Let me show you how it works. Here's the page where you can add YouTube channels directly. Then you can manage the list of channels you follow right here. You can add or remove them anytime. Once added, the site will monitor their videos daily. It visits each channel every day, gathers view counts, and collects all related stats. After about 48 hours, you'll have access to your dashboard. There, you'll see all the channels you follow. You can click View to see the channel's daily views displayed in a graph. But the interesting part is below. Here you'll find all their videos with filters you can use. For example, you can sort by views in the last 24 hours. You might notice that one video published 2 days ago has the most views, but the second one was uploaded 3 years ago. That's evergreen content. You can also filter out shorts or show only videos older than 3 months, so you can focus on long-term performing videos instead of short-term spikes. You can even refine results further with filters or keywords in the title. For example, type ETF to find all videos about ETFs and see how many views they get over time. This lets you spot videos that keep generating views even after several years. Then you can try to recreate or improve that content. If you want more stats, click View again. You'll see the video's thumbnail, tags, copyable with one click, full description, and daily view counts. That way, you can tell whether it's truly long-term content or just a short-term trend that briefly boosted the video. You can clearly see when a creator gets consistent daily views with all the detailed data below. This tool can really help you find evergreen content that keeps performing, so you won't waste time making random videos that may not get views. With this method, you'll know exactly which search terms generate real results, allowing you to focus on the best video ideas. The link's in the description if you want to try it. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.